Hi there, I'm Alex, Senior Clinical Advisor at Carepatron, and today I'll be teaching you about our Distress Tolerance Skills Worksheet. There's a variety of negative emotions we all experience as part of normal life, such as anxiety, sadness, guilt, or anger. But people with distress intolerance can feel as though these emotions are unbearable, wrong, or something to be avoided at all costs. As such, it is common for distress-intolerant people to engage in escape behaviors, such as avoidance, withdrawing, or numbing their feelings. While these escape methods can provide short-term relief, in the long run they serve only to reinforce distress-intolerant beliefs. But that's where our Distress Tolerance Skills Worksheet can help. This Distress Tolerance Skills Worksheet is designed to help your clients identify their distress triggers, warning signs, and escape methods, and implement new opposite actions and acceptance skills. If these activities sound familiar, that's because they're derived from dialectical behavioral therapy, or DBT. So let's take a look at this worksheet in more detail. The first step is for your client to identify their triggers, warning signs, and feelings they get when they are in distress. Next, your client will identify the escape behaviors they use to avoid their distressing emotions. And then they should brainstorm opposite actions to these escape behaviors. To see examples, just stick around to see our sample worksheet later in the video. The last activity in this worksheet is a DBT activity called Wise Mind Accepts, and it's a brainstorming exercise for your client to build up a toolbox of alternative behaviors when they are in distress. To get a better idea of how to use this Distress Tolerance Skills Worksheet, just take a look at our example worksheet here. Feel free to pause to take a closer look. You can also find this worksheet right from within Carepatron. Just head to the Templates tab from the menu on the left. Then ensure you're filtering by Community Templates to see our full library of resources. You can then search by keyword, distress. Hover over the result and click Choose Template. Then select your client from the client list. And now the Distress Tolerance Skills Worksheet has been loaded right into your Draft tab. When you're done, just hit Publish.